Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Easy Tricks app. In this video I will show you that how you can generate consistent images using Leonardo AI. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So to create the consistent images, you need to give a name to your model so that the AI tool knows that your model has a name and it generates the same face every time you ask to create image for that model. So let's just give a name to our model and ask AI to generate an image of our model. So let's type in create an image of. Now enter a unique name of your character and then just type in what you want them to do, looking at the camera while wearing sunglasses. Now just click on the generate button and the AI tool will generate a consistent image of your model. Now as you can see, the face is always the similar in all these three pictures. And now if you ask the Leonardo AI to generate more images for this character, it will always keep the same face. So that's how you can create consistent images using Leonardo AI. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.